What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to install your own custom logo, like in 3D one, here to this device, to holographic 3D. Actually, we have this manual how to install your own logos, but I will show you how to make out of your company logo or any other picture, make a 3D version of it and download to this device. So firstly, let's disable it before doing anything. Then dismantle the cover, the top cover that's actually protecting the device. Stop it. Here we have the micro SD card, so card reader also available. Then install it to your laptop, and what you need to do, most probably you already installed the app called 5DD Display, so just open it and keep it open. I will show you what you need to do with it later on. And select the device, that's the device F-Mini 11, that's how it's called. Although what you need, for example, I use a McDonald's logo, you can use any others, up to your preferences. Then you open the render forest, it's not an advertisement, so I also use free version. Here you have quite many things available. Then what you need to search is interest and logo, then search for like high-tech logo reveal, for instance, or any other. Just select what you like. For example, this how logo reveal, or you can check even not reveal, just footage based logo reveal, etc. Like so many animations available here for your logo. Let's open 3D to make it more interesting, and let's find out what you like. Also, you can just find like it's spinning as a circle. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, it's premium template, so let's check not premium one. Okay, for instance, that one. 1-to-1 we need to suit more. Create now. Then select your logo. I already download, but you just download it by yourself. Then rendering takes some time, so you can play it. You see rendering started, so I guess it will take up to like 1 minute, as it's quite short. You can make it longer, of course. You can set it up to preferences. You can just make the spinning logo, up to you. So rendering is ongoing. Let's wait until it will be. Okay, rendering is over, so let's check the results first. Actually, it's with the sound even. It looks nice. You can put any logo, like not only McDonald's, of course. Click export with watermark, export anyway. Okay, your video is in a queue. Let's wait until it will be downloaded. I guess it shouldn't take some time, but if you need more, of course, you can buy the premium one. As for me, it's enough, so let's wait for exporting. Alright, the export finished. So after this is video is downloaded, so you can select the file. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, how to save it? Share, export with watermark, download with watermark. So rendering over is downloaded. So let's open, select the file. File is here. So actually, you see how it looks like. Of course, there is logo, but it's fine. Click export. Let's make it on a desktop. Now let's wait until it will be rendered. Also, don't take that much time. Almost done, really fast. And the last but not least is to copy. So let's open our SD card. Let's add this thing here and extract it. So final part, let's test it out. So this USB drive needs to be installed back here. Let's install it. Then close the protection cover and turn it on. Okay, working, you see. I will even keep the sound. Okay, I don't know whether you can see it, but the logo is actually here. It's just spinning to, let's put it on pause, maybe. This picture is way too bright. Let's decrease the brightness. Turn on. There is sound of braking. Okay, with my eye it's much better visible, but with this thing it's not visible, but it's actually working. And sound, let's disable the sound. So actually I see now my logo quite clearly. Maybe you cannot see it because like this, you see when I just cover, at some moment it's visible, but actually it's nice, working well. And just try it out. And in case you still have some questions, just put in the comments below, put a thumbs up, and see you next time.